Start.
So, namaste and good afternoon all.
Good afternoon.
It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you to the signing of the Memorandum of the Understanding today between the Marwadi University and the MIT Square. Today's signing sets a significant milestone for training cum research collaboration among both sides. So, on behalf of Marwadi University, I would like to welcome Sri Naresh Jadeja sir, Registrar, Dr. Sridharan Rajgopal, Dean, Faculty of Computer Application, Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayana, Founder and CEO of MIT Square London, and also Mrs. Bhuvneshwari Longnathan. MIT Square is a premium product development company headquartered in Bangalore, India, and had a presence in the Southampton, UK. MIT Square supports incubation and investment, internship and training, innovation and research, as well as intellectual property rights. So now, not taking your much time, I would like to invite Sri Naresh Jadeja sir to share his words regarding the university.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Pratik, for this introduction. On behalf of our president of Marwadi University, Shri Ketanbhai Marwadi, Vice President Shri Chitubai Chandarana, our Provost, Dr. Y.P. Costa, all deans, faculty members, and all staff members. I welcome all present here in this MOU signing ceremony. This is going to be an one of its kind event, because so far after our establishment in 2009 we have signed many MOUs, but this is going to be the first digitally signed MOU, and that itself shows that how progressively we are using this pandemic time and making sure that we do not deprive our students and we do not stop our collaborations and any achievements. So with this, I welcome entire team of MIT. Thank you very much for being part of it. When we started in 2009 with only few students and few faculty members, at that time the bigger vision was already there in our mind. And that's the reason that in the short span of 10 years, at present, we have around 9,000 students on our campus, and around 10% of it are international from around 32 countries. So that's one thing. We have around huge construction laboratories set up. But more than that, the diversity is the most important thing that we feel that we have achieved. That brings a lot of learning from all across the world to our campus, and we are benefiting out of it. In terms of faculty, we are blessed with faculties from around 22 states of India as well. So there also diversity plays an important role. And because of that, because of the focus on the quality, when we became eligible for the NAC accreditation, and we applied for it, and we became the first, and even today we are the only NAC A+ accredited institute in Gujarat state. So that shows that commitment towards quality, commitment towards excellence, commitment towards growth was there from the beginning, and it is continued as on today. So we are fortunate that we have signed MOU with around 22 universities, around 15 of them from Europe, other countries of Australia, USA, and big multinational corporations and organizations. And today we are very happy to see that MIT is coming with us, and jointly we are going to work towards the development of our students, our staff, our industry collaboration, and bridging the gap of academia and industry. So with this, I express our happiness towards this collaboration, and I welcome all to this ceremony. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would like to invite Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayana to share his kind thoughts and function of MIT Square. Mithilesh, sir.
Thank you, Pratik, sir. First, I would like to thank Marwadi team for organizing this wonderful MOU signing event.
And for us, this is the first time that we are also doing digitally, and this is new for us as well. So I think you're setting a very good trend, and thanks to our dean sir. I sincerely thank Shri Naresh Jadeja sir for gracing the occasion. Thank you so much for your lovely words, sir. And we are quite impressed with Marwadi University's, aggressive and dynamic kind of push towards student development and community development. We are quite impressed. My special thanks goes to Dr. Sridharan sir for believing in us and for giving us this wonderful opportunity to collaborate and do wonders to our community. Thank you so much, sir. And my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ashwin sir, senior faculty of Marwadi University, who's closely working with us and working along with us, understanding our courses and trying to map it with the finishing school is really great. You have put so much efforts in coordinating and connecting, sir. Thank you so much, Ashwin sir. And not to forget, thanks to Kalpesh sir for hosting this event and trying to make sure everything goes very smooth technically. Thank you so much. And before I start to explain about our MIT Square in detail, can I share the screen if it's fine, sir?
I think you can do. Yes.
Yes.
Please give permission. Kalpesh sir. You try to share. You are granted now. You are the co-host now.
Okay. So is the screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we are very much interested to collaborate with academia because we believe students can make a complete transformation to our country. Following our Abdul Kalam sir's words, Lead India movement, we are trying to make sure youth gets really in lines with what industry is trying to do, so that we try to cover the bridge between academia and the industry. That's what our real focus is on. That's where we try to bring in the 360-degree transformation. Our company is an ISO certified company. Currently, it's doing really well. Headquartered at center of India's high-tech industry, which is called as Silicon Valley of India, which is Bangalore. The company is registered with MSME, Ministry of MSME, Government of India. We completely focus on edutech, agrotech, and health tech, which involves various latest technologies and other disruptive ones. We are in lines with what government is trying to push and what kind of movements they are trying to do, like in terms of Digital India, Make in India, Startup India, Stand Up India, Skill India, and Self-Reliant India. We completely understand the national education policy of 2020, so we align with what is expected for the next couple of years. So we believe that we want to bring in that kind of a transformation to our community. We are closely working with Atal Incubation, Niti Aayog's plans. Also, we are part of MSME Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. We are working on multi-projects that are part of Sustainable Development Goals proposed by United Nations. So that's what we stand as of now. We have a global presence across the world. We have offices in UK. That's where I'm heading. And we have other offices in Singapore and Australia. We are setting up in other places like Africa and other places. Currently, the company is growing 4 times now. For this year, we are expecting it to grow at least 6 times by the end of this year. Once I graduated from the University of London, I started thinking, like a talent transformation and academic sustainability can only be achieved through industrial collaboration. That's where we want to create that bridge between academia and industry, where we can provide skilling, upskilling, reskilling, and various other types of transformation to make sure students move smoothly from academic side to the industrial side. We are really capable enough to set up a lot of center of excellence. Now we are proposing industry IoT for Marwadi University. We also provide support in terms of setting up labs and other innovation labs, center of excellence in robotics, artificial intelligence, blockchain, cybersecurity, and various other latest technologies that we are thinking, maybe digital twin technology as well, which will be in the next few months. We are collaborating with various partners like IBM, NASCOM, so that we can set up seamless kind of platforms so students can learn and address various other issues related to the community, build their own products and showcase what their talent is capable of, and also clear interviews with ease. We will provide that kind of a platform for them. For the finishing school, we have proposed in several areas in terms of IoT, embedded systems, artificial intelligence, web development, blockchain, cybersecurity, robotics. In fact, lots to do with entrepreneurship as well. The students not only can focus on technologies, but we also make sure students learn how to turn into a product and make it into a push it into a market. So we provide that kind of a platform as well, where students try to understand how ideas can be turned into a product and that can be taken into a Make in India product. In terms of abroad studies, we support in terms of dual degree programs, joint programs, student exchange programs, internships, PhD programs, research fellowships, cross collaborations with other universities, faculty exchange program, student exchange program. We love to have foreign students coming to India. We want Marwadi University to have more foreign students from America, Europe, and other parts of country, so that there's a excellent exposure to our students, as well as other students from other countries also get exposure from our Marwadi University. That's our focus. We'll be closely working with our Sridharan sir, Dean, to make sure there's a lot of initiatives that's going to happen. As part of the MOU that's being signed, we would like to offer something to our Marwadi University. We'll be launching campus radio very soon. We are in discussion with Sridharan sir. The main idea of building campus radio is to communicate your ideas, build products, so that the world knows what kind of products you are working on. Once we set up the radio, all over the world can know what is Marwadi University is doing. It can be finishing school, it can be courses, it can be research, development, innovation, it can be singing, music, events, it can be anything. Anything can fit into campus radio. We are going to launch this in Marwadi University in the next few weeks. Things are going very smoothly, thanks to Sridharan sir for taking this kind of a dynamic initiative to speed up the process. We'll be connecting with a lot of corporates through the campus radio. Many industries will get to know what Marwadi University is doing across India and all over the world. So that's what we are trying to create a revolution here. Our process is very easy. We try to get your ideas. We provide ideas as well. We provide skills. We make sure you understand the industrial gaps as students. And definitely students need to understand the industrial gap. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand how the products can be built. So we give that kind of a gap, make sure that students understand those areas, problems and issues. And once you understand the industrial gap, then you become a complete professional and you can definitely survive in the industry. That's it. Thank you so much. And thank you once again for the wonderful opportunity to demonstrate what MIT Square is capable of doing and what we can offer to our community. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you for the nice presentation.
So thank you, Mithilesh sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now, just invite Ms. Bhuvneshwari Longnathan, who is taking care of Bangalore operation of MIT Square, India, to share her kind words. Bhuvneshwari, ma'am, please.
Happy noon to everyone who is gathered here. I would like to thank Mr. Naresh Jadeja, Registrar, Dr. Sridharan Rajagopal, Dean, who was constantly working with us who was trying to collaborate with us for more than a year to understand our working and other things. Dr. Ashwin, Senior Faculty, Dr. Kalpesh, and Mr. Pratik for making this happen. Thank you once again for giving us an opportunity to work with Marwadi University, who ensures that the students are all well updated with ongoing trend on technologies. Marwadi University makes sure for the facts that the MOU signing is not only happens aware of these technologies, but also encourages the students to work on the startup driven by them. About MIT Square is a premier product development company, which is headquartered in Bangalore, which already Dr. Mithilesh has explained. It has a presence in Southampton. MIT is an ISO certified company. MIT offers product design, product development, product manufacturing, and patent filing. MIT also caters IoT devices, education platforms, hospitality products, healthcare technology. MIT offers turnkey OEM and ODM services. MIT Square is a one-stop solution for your ideas to get executed. MIT follow a rigorous method to strictly protect your intellectual property rights in Asia and across the globe. MIT do not just stop by playing an advisory role. We work along with the students in executing the strategies end to end to ensure the success. MIT offers incubation, internship and training, innovation and research, patent filing, and now we are with campus radio and abroad studies. Thank you one and all for giving us an opportunity to collaborate with such a esteemed Marwadi University. Thank you once again. to taking it forward. Thank you once again, Sir Sridhar and Dean, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Dr. R. Sridharan to give some details regarding the MOU and the future plans.
At the outset, my heartfelt thanks to Sri Naresh Jadeja, sir. Despite his busy schedule, she has agreed and promptly available for this possibility of MOU signing and support. Thank you for supporting Mr. Pratik and my own teammates. So just to quote it, we are very vibrant and always getting collaborated with industry people like you. Just to quote some of the MOUs which are very successful over many years, as far as they are initiated by Faculty of Computer Applications. We have tie-up with Google for imparting Google's Android program for our BCA students. And every student getting enrolled into BCA, we make them certified by Google for Android program. Similarly, we are also having tie-up with Oracle Academy. We got a partnership. We got a special labs for Oracle. Through that lab, we are offering Java programming as well as Oracle programming for them. For both of them, the students are getting certified by Oracle itself. Then we also have a tie-up with the AWS, one of the most prominent cloud computing solution providers. And like this, we had a tie-up with them. We are also offering AWS program for our MCA students. These programs at PG level we are providing. And we also have a tie-up with the Automation Anywhere company. We established a lab for boat programming. So that also, they're also connecting our students to various clients of them who have got the software from them just to make them employable. This is another thing. And the first and foremost MOU signed here as soon as I joined this wonderful university is IBM. And we have a separate lab where we have got a software worth around 5 lakhs from IBM, sponsored by IBM. That is to train our students on rational software. So we can do engineering as well as re-engineering of a software application through this rational software. And to quote finally, this DST sponsored finishing school initiative. And we got a 50 lakhs from Department of Science and Technology, where we have established some labs for imparting training for the students. And this MIT, we believe that they would be in a position to make wonders through finishing school, getting connected to students, offering program at economical cost or sometimes free also. This is what are the expectations. And like a few MOUs which just stop after mere signing, we want that to flourish and go forward forever, so that generations after generations of these university students, men may come, men may go, but this MOU should stand there and students should reap the benefits out of it. This is my wishes as well as prayers. Thank you very much.
So thank you, sir. So in the last year, the entire world had passed from the critical time due to COVID-19 situation, and now everyone will be hoping for a new normal. So herewith, I would like to invite all panelists to be a part of this historical event. I request Dr. Ashwin Dobaria sir to do the needful for the MOU signing.
Yes, sir.
We are starting the digital inauguration.
Screen is visible, sir?
Yeah. You can start.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so good afternoon all. And now
Good, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I request Naresh sir and Mithilesh to just sign the last sheet and then show it to the people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Thank you, sir. Start.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Ashwin sir, please stop sharing so that remaining two can. So Naresh sir and Mithilesh sir, please share it, show it again.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Fantastic, sir. This was really very well done, and it doesn't come just with one person doing it. It's a team effort, collective effort. Let's all stand together, work together. That's how we can grow our country. Initially, when I started my career, I did not get much support from places where I studied and where I came up from. So now it's my time to give back to our community, especially when you come from that kind of a background. We always want to give back because God has blessed us now with a very good platform. Now we want to do something to our community, to our society. I would continue to work together with students and professors. We'll make a difference to our community. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you, sir. I'm inviting again Dr. Ashwin Dobaria, sir, to share a vote of thanks.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to everyone whose dedication and efforts have contributed to the finalization of this MOU. Particularly, I would like to thank our respected Registrar Sir, Naresh Jadeja Sir, for giving insight about Marwadi University and spare your valuable time with us, sir. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our respected Dean, Dr. R. Sridharan Sir, for briefing about the various MOU and the activities carried out under the finishing schools and FCA departments. My sincere thanks to Mr. Mithilesh Sir and Bhuneshwari Madam for describing a benefit of this MOU and goodwill that made the signing of this MOU a reality. I also express my sincere thanks to Mr. Pratik Munjani sir and my colleague Dr. Kalpesh Popat sir for overall management of this online MOU inaugural ceremony. At last but not least, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all my colleagues and students who are the part of this wonderful ceremony with the help of technology. So thank you everyone.
So thank you, sir. Herewith, I am just taking this opportunity to extend my congratulations to both the Marwadi University as well as MIT Square and appreciate their efforts in the concluding this MOU. Herewith, I am signing off for the day. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Have a fantastic day, sir. We'll meet up.
Naresh, sir, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.